Weebly Affiliate Program Review. In today's video, we're reviewing the Weebly Affiliate Program, an opportunity to earn commissions by promoting one of the most beginner-friendly website builders available. Links to the program and product are in the description, so check them out if you're interested. Weebly, now owned by Square Block Inc., is a popular website building platform known for its drag-and-drop editor, e-commerce capabilities, and ease of use, making it ideal for small businesses, entrepreneurs, and personal brands looking for an affordable and intuitive website solution. The Weebly Affiliate Program offers a commission-based structure where affiliates can earn a percentage of each sale generated through their referral links. While Weebly doesn't publicly list its commission rates, past data suggests competitive payouts compared to other website builders. The program is managed through CJ Affiliate, which provides access to tracking tools, real-time analytics, and marketing resources to help you optimize your performance. With a cookie duration of 120 days, you have a longer window to convert leads compared to many other affiliate programs. One of the biggest advantages of promoting Weebly is its affordability and simplicity. Unlike platforms like Squarespace or Shopify, Weebly is designed with beginners in mind, offering free and low-cost plans while still providing essential features like mobile responsive templates, e-commerce support, SEO tools, and third-party app integrations. The integration with Square also makes it a great choice for businesses that want to sell online or accept in-person payments seamlessly. This affiliate program is best suited for bloggers, YouTubers, digital marketers, and educators who target new website owners, small business owners, and e-commerce beginners. If your audience consists of people looking for a simple, affordable, and effective way to build a website or online store, Weebly is an excellent option to promote. The free plan is also a strong selling point, as it allows users to test the platform before upgrading to a paid subscription. Overall, the Weebly Affiliate Program is a solid choice if you want to promote an easy-to-use, trusted, and affordable website builder while earning generous commissions with a long cookie duration. If you're ready to start, check the links in the description and sign up today.